Hello and welcome to HWM Aston Martin. My name is Grace and I have the pleasure of introducing to you this brand new Aston Martin DB12 Volante finished in the iconic iridescent sapphire. Now this car has literally just arrived with us here at HWM and I wanted to show you around it. It's a fantastic specification and hopefully it will inspire you to specify your very own DB12, but this car is also available here at HWM and I don't think it's going to hang around for long. So let's start, as we always do, by taking a look at this paint. Now this is a paint that I've never seen before on an Aston Martin and it is absolutely stunning to the eye. So we have iridescent sapphire here, which is a Q finish. So we're talking £10,000 worth of paint alone on this car, and it's iridescent in its finish. So the main colour obviously being sapphire, but when you get really closely, and I'm sure you'll see in the B-roll, we have a really warm, beautiful green as part of the hue, and it just finishes the car off in such high standards. Now moving forward, we can see the main accents around the car being chrome. So instead of the traditional black, we have more chrome here, and I just think it works really well with the overall look. So we have a chrome grille and we also have the chrome badge set as well. But we have a black lower body pack which runs to the back of the car down the bottom, and then we'll take a look at these wheels in just a second. So taking a look side on, I hope you'll be able to see a little bit more of the stunning iridescent paint on this car. But let's look a little bit further forward here with these wheels. So we have 5-spoke gloss silver wheels with a red caliber behind them, and that red just makes the car pop side on. But we also have a black upper body pack here, which we can see with the side strake and some more details around the car. And finally, moving to the rear of the car, the chrome theme continues. So we have that Aston Martin script in part of the badge set. We also have some more gloss, which ties in well with the wheels. So we have gloss exhaust tips and the rest of that lower black body pack. So here we find ourselves in the interior of this DB12 Volante. And something to mention about this car, we have over £40,000 worth of options included, and a lot of that value can be found on the inside. So it's quite a unique interior, which I would happily show you through. So we have Phantom Grey as the main colour in here, which can be found running across the dashboard. So it's quite a dark grey, but it's just a little bit lighter than the Onyx Black that we usually see in the interiors. And it runs all the way down through the centre as well. But let's take a look at these seats. So we have a duotone leather interior, so we'll find a little bit of light ivory here which finishes and surrounds the seat really well. But we have some Alcantara, which I haven't seen in Astons in quite some time. So we have these Alcantara Phantom Grey seats here with lovely perforation, which means that these seats are heated and cooled. And then we have the contrast of the embroidery, that Aston Martin Wings logo on the headrest, which is such a lovely and luxurious touch. So moving forward here, we have some brushed aluminium, which just adds an extra level of luxury, but also texture inside this car. So it runs down the centre here near the waterfall, and it's just a really lovely soft touch. But what we don't usually see is it moving onto the doors. So we have a huge amount of brushed aluminium here on the doors, which I think is just a really nice and quite a unique touch as well. Some of the chrome from the outside has been brought inside. So the wheels are reflected from the outside to the inside with this chrome jewellery pack here, which again kind of surrounds the steering wheel, which is heated as well, so we've got that extra level of luxury there. And then the final thing that I wanted to bring your attention to today are the Bowers and Wilkins sound system. So this is a £7,000 option in the new model range, and that means that we've got 15 speakers worth of surround sound in this car. And of course the engine in itself is music to everybody's ears, but should you want to listen to a podcast or to your music, these are the speakers to do that with. Thank you very much for watching as I take you around this stunning Aston Martin DB12 Volante finished in iridescent sapphire. Now this car is available, so if you do have any interest, please do get in touch. I doubt that this car will be around for long at all. Please also do remember to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.